Okay, dear children, today we will discuss about our social studies. In social studies, we have a four parts in social studies. How many parts? We have a four parts in social studies. We have a four parts in social studies. One is geography. Geography. This is the first geography. Second one, history. Third one is political science. Last one is economics. We have a four parts in social subject. One is the geography, second one is the history, third one is the political science, fourth one is the economics. These four in social subject. We are dividing into four parts in social subject. One is the geography, second one is the history, third one is the political science, fourth one is the economics. Today we will go to teach on geography. Actually, in 10th class we have two papers. One is the first paper and the second paper. Today we will discuss about a first lesson and first paper geography. The first lesson is India relief features. World landforms originated from two lands. World landforms originate two landforms. Dear children, listen carefully. Actually, we have a four parts in social subject. One is the geography, history, political science, and economics. 10th class, we have two papers. Two papers in social subject. One is the first paper and the second paper. Now we will go and teach geography. That is the first paper. The first lesson is India relief features. World landforms originated two gate lands. One is the Angara land. And the second one is the Gondwana land. How many lands? Two lands. One is the Angara land and second Gondwana land. Angara land also called Laurussia land. Angara. The world landforms originated two gate lands. One is the Angara land, that is the Laurussia land, or Gondwana land. These two main lands. Actually, the Indian Peninsula. Actually, two lands. One is the Angara land, second one is the Gondwana land. Angara land is called Laurussia land, and second one is the Gondwana land. The Indian Peninsula was part of Gondwana land. The Indian Peninsula is part of Gondwana land. Gondwana land, part of Gondwana land. Do you understand, students? I will repeat again. Actually, we have four parts in social subject. Now we will discuss about geography. If the first lesson is Indian relief features. India relief features. The world land forms gained main two lands. One is the Angara land, that is the Larisha land. Second one is the Gondwana land. The Indian Peninsular Plateau of part of Gondwana land. Part of Gondwana land. The Gondwana land split into pieces. The Gondwana land split into some pieces, and the Indian Peninsular Plateau The Gondwana land split some pieces, and the Indian Peninsular Plateau moved towards northeast, and east and collision into the much larger Eurasian plateau. Much larger. Now I will repeat it again. The Gondwana land split of some pieces, and the Indian Peninsular Plateau moved toward northeast, and collide into the much larger Eurasian plate. Owing to the collisions and comprehensive forces, mountains, then it will be occurred Himalayas. So the relief features, Indian major relief divisions are major relief features. We will discuss one by one. Dear children, do you understand? World land forms originated two main gate lands. One is the Angara land, that is the Larisha land. Second one is the Gondwana land. The Indian Peninsular Plateau, part of Gondwana land. Once Gondwana land is split of some pieces, so it moved Indian Plateau northeast, and collected into the much larger Eurasian plateau. So owing to the collisions and immense to comprehensive force formed with the mountains like the Himalayas. So the major Indian relief divisions, the first one is the major Indian relief divisions. The major Indian relief divisions, the first one is the Himalayas. Major Indian relief divisions, the Himalayas. Dear children, the relief divisions of India, the major relief divisions of India, the first one is the Himalayas. Second one is the Indo-Gangetic plains. Actually, the major relief divisions of India, first one is the Himalayas. Second one is the Indo-Gangetic plains. The second one is the Indo-Gangetic plains. The third one is the peninsular plateau. The third one is the peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau. The first one is the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic plains, the peninsular plateau. Third one is the peninsular plateau. The fourth one is the coastal plain. The coastal plain. The coastal plain. The fourth one is the coastal plain. First one is the Himalayas. Second one is the Indo-Gangetic plain. The third one is the peninsular plateau. The fourth one is the coastal plain. The fifth one is the deserts. The third deserts. The deserts. The fifth one is the desert. Fifth one is the desert. The last one, sixth one, islands. The lands. These are the major relief divisions of major relief features. Major relief divisions are major relief features of India. So, children, now we will explain one by one. So now we will start. We have some relief features or major relief divisions or major relief features. The first one is the Himalayas. The second one is the Indo-Gangetic plains. The third one is the peninsular plateau. The fourth one is the coastal plain. The fifth one is the desert. The sixth one, the islands. These are the major relief divisions of India. So now we will discuss about Himalayas. The first one is major relief division, the Himalayas. The Himalaya ranges run into the east direction, the west to east direction. Run west to east directions. Dear children, we have a major relief divisions of India. The first one, the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic plain, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plain, the desert, and the islands. These are the major relief divisions of India. Now we will discuss about the first one is Himalayas. The Himalayas run into the west to east direction. In the form of an arc. In the form of arc. The Himalayas run west to east in the form of arc, with a distance about 2,400 kilometers. 2,400 kilometers. The first one, the Himalayas. The Himalayas run west to east direction. Ranges. The Himalaya ranges run into the west to east direction in the form of arc. With a distance of about 2,400 kilometers. 2,400 kilometers. The width differs from the width differs from 500. The width differ from 500 kilometers in the western region. Kilometers in the western region. Himalayas runs in the west to east direction in the form of are about a distance 2,400 kilometers. The width of differ from the Himalayas 500 kilometers west region, 200 kilometers in the central and eastern region, 200 kilometers, 200 kilometers central, 200 kilometers central and eastern region. So dear children, listen carefully. Actually, the first one, we have a India relief features. The first relief feature is the Himalayas. The Himalayas runs into the west to east direction in the form of an arc about a distance 2,400 kilometers. The width of the Himalayas differs from 500 kilometers western region and the central part of the 200 kilometers the Himalayas. Northernmost, the greater Himalayas are called Himadri. Northern Himadri, northern side. Greater Himalayas are called Himadri. The greater Himalayas are called Himadri. Actually, it is some measures. MSL means measure sea level. MSL, sometimes we are measured MSL, sometimes we are called measured MSL. Means sea level. 6,100 100 kilometers above. 6,100 kilometers. 600 kilometers above. So Himadri, the Himadri, south 3,700 kilometers, 4,500 meters. Pirpanjal and Mahabharata ranges were great ranges. Pirpanjal and Mahabharata ranges. Later Himalayas ranges consists of a great valleys. Later Himalayas, it consists of a great valleys. Like a Kashmir, great valleys. These are the valleys, great valleys. It consists of a Kangra, Kulu. These are the variable valleys. These are the valleys. Himachal Pradesh. Actually, some valleys in Himalayas. One is the Kashmir, one is the Kulu. These are the some valleys. It is the valleys in Himachal Pradesh. Actually, in Himalayas, some hill stations also here. Some hill station like a Shimla. The first one is the Shimla. Some hill stations in Himalayas. Hill station. This is the main important in exams. It will be gives one mark questions also. So, dear children, some hill stations are important hill stations. If you possible, write down in our hill station. Some hill station here. Hill stations. Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, So, hill station, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranicut. These are the hill stations, Ranicut. Actually, these hill stations was covered by forest, green forest. It is covered by evergreen forest. These hill stations covered by covered by evergreen forest. Evergreen forest. So, dear children, the major relief division, the first one is the Himalayas. The Himalayas, the first one is the Himalayas. The Himalayas runs in the west to east direction, into the west to east direction in the form of an arc with the distance about to 2,400 kilometers, 400 kilometers, width 500 kilometers western region, 200 kilometers central and eastern region. Actually, we have a great thing like a Pirpanjal and Mahabharata ranges are the great valleys in the Himalayas. That is the greatest valleys in the Himalayas, like a Kashmir, Kangra, Kulu. Actually, it is covered in some Himachal Pradesh. So, some hill stations in Himalayas, some hill stations, Shimla hill station, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranicut. These are the hill stations in Himalayas. So it is covered by evergreen forest. So now I am asking one question. How many hill stations? We have 4 hill stations in Himalayas. One is the Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranicut. These are covered by forest. This is the Himalayas. These are the Himalayas. The first one is the Himalayas. Actually, we have a hill stations. We have a hill station and great valleys in Himalayas. So, children, don't forget, it is the valuable and important lesson. The Indian relief features. So, the first Indian relief feature is Himalayas. What is the first Indian relief feature? The Himalayas. That is the first relief feature. The second one is Indo-Gangetic Plain. Third one, the Peninsular Plateau. The fourth one, the Coastal Plain. The fifth one, the deserts. And last one is the islands. So children, we will explain already. Then we will recite in our classroom. So children, tomorrow we will discuss about the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Do you understand? All? Dear children, do you understand? Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Asking some questions. Himalayas. Most valuable valleys in Himalayas. Most valuable valleys, Kashmir, Kulu, Kangra. These are the most valuable valleys. Hill stations also, Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranicut. Actually, these hill stations was covered by evergreen forest. Do you understand? Now I will repeat once again our class. We will discuss about our first lesson. The world. Actually, in our class, the world landforms originated from 2 giant landforms. One is the Angara landform and Gondwana landform. One is the Angara landform, second one is the Gondwana landform. Actually, the Indian peninsular plateau, in part of Gondwana land, Do you understand, children? Do you understand? World landforms originated from to gain two main landforms. One is the Angara landform and second one is the Gondwana landform. Gondwana landform. The Indian peninsular plateau in the part of Gondwana land. So children, tomorrow we will discuss about this Indo-Gangetic plain, deserts, islands, landforms. So we will discuss about tomorrow this class.